Hi guys, it's another morning and another normal day in my life. So you must be wondering why a new vlog about it. So no guys, I do have a certain points to share for today. So starting with number one, my sister and Rian will be leaving us today. She'll be going to her in-laws home. They were here for 1.5 months and Rian has been keeping us a lot busy these days. So definitely we're going to miss him a lot. And also like one more update about the evening that I have. It's my best friend's birthday. We have been friends for, she's my school friend basically, so we have been friends for over 2 decades, like 21 years of friendship basically. So I'm really excited to meet her after a long time. And so today basically the day is planned out pretty simple. We had 4 types of biryani, like chicken, mutton and 2 types of veg. The most important thing about our lunch was a very off the track dessert that I personally tried it for the first time and I loved it completely. It is called this lehsuni kheer. It's basically garlic kheer. It's a dessert based out of garlic, but it doesn't smell at all of garlic and it's very delicious. Initially we all were skeptical about ordering it, so we ordered just one plate, and after having it we all regretted so much that it was so tasty. One more thing that I wanted to say you guys is that my sister yesterday sold her phone on this app called Cashify. I'm not sure whether you guys know about it or not, but it's really a good app for selling, old electronic gadgets and get some amount of money in exchange of it. Usually they provide a better return than selling it on Amazon or Flipkart. So I personally always go with this brand. I've sold 2 of my previous phones in this app. It is very easy, very user friendly. So it will give you a series of radio button questions followed by 2 or 3 radio buttons options. You just have to keep selecting the options, and once you're done you will be shown an amount that you are estimated amount that you can get for the phone, and they will schedule an appointment, and the person who is assigned to it will visit your home at your preferred time. And he'll personally check the device condition, whether it's like matching with what you have provided the data in the app, and if he finds everything all right, he'll just transfer the money, and it's all cashless, so he'll just transfer it online through any UPI or any wallet. So it's really good. If you don't know, it's not a sponsored video at all. I just want to share this information with you all in case you didn't know it. I'm currently going to a friend's birthday party, and though our house is pretty much near to mine, I'm visiting her after so many years, so I'm looking at the maps and can't really decide which way to go. Right. I hope the navigation will lead me to the right destination. I'm really excited to meet her since we'll be meeting after many months, and her house, though I'm just visiting after so many years, like we can't even remember when last I visited her. Maybe in the year of 2018 or 19 that I came to her home last. Actually, when we were in school, we used to meet quite often. She used to come to my place, I used to go to her place. But now we are all in different jobs. So, and we also are in different cities, so we don't meet as often. So, let's go. Knock. Hi. How are you?
I am good.
Meet my audience.
Hello.
Here is your gift.
Thank
so guys,
you
this
so
is the birthday
much.
gift that I have given her.
Oh, it's a very nice one.
How are you going? How are the celebrations?
Well, the others have left. You are late.
Yes, what happened is there was a slight miscommunication. She initially told me that her celebrations are going to take place in the evening. So I planned my day accordingly and I came here in the evening, as my sister is also leaving today. By the time I reached,
Others have left.
And since she changed her plans, so she changed her plans last minute. So all my friends arrived in the noon and they all had lunch and they all left now. So now I'm all alone.
So my sister is there. So let's meet her.
Yeah. Oh, hi. How are you?
How are you? I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. I'm just quite late. The celebrations are already over. Oh, what is that?
A little bit of fire.
Oh, acha. This is the most
Our custom.
Yeah, custom. The most authentic Bengali birthday thing that every household will have. Thank you. Thanks for this.
Welcome.
Yeah. So now we all are sitting here and just chilling together, and we really can't figure out what to do. So we'll probably play some board games. You guys have any idea what to do, how to spend the time? Probably chit chat a bit, gossip a bit.
Right. We have a lot of gossip to do.
Yeah, we are meeting
We have
up.
accumulated a lot of gossip.
Yeah, we're meeting after ages.
So
yeah.
we have a lot to speak right now.
Lots of things to share and talk about and bitch about a little also. So that's what we'll be doing. Also, probably we'll also play something and just chit chat here for a bit, and then she'll cut the cake. She has got 2 cakes actually. One she has baked, her sister. The cake looked really amazing. I'll show the photos. She has already cut that cake, so I'll show the photos. Yeah, it was really amazing. It looks professional. It's absolutely professional. So one more cake is left, so she has kept it in my honor. She'll cut it in front of me. Cake that she'll be cutting now. So we are out again. We are together at Momo I Am now. So we already had a Momo platter. We are tasting that. How are you liking it?
Amazing. And now we are going to try out.
Yes, and now she's gonna try out for the first time sushi. Although this is a vegetarian sushi, I'm gonna try as the first time as well. Yes, sushi is with rice. Sushi is a preparation of rice only. So we'll see how she likes it. I don't think she'll like it, but still, let's see. So she's trying out sushi for the first time. Not bad. Really? Okay, that's quite surprising because when I first time had sushi, I didn't like it at all. The first time I had sushi, it was crab sushi. I didn't like it as much, but this is a vegetarian sushi. It's cream cheese sushi, so probably I like it as well. Also, the ambience here is pretty good. They also have some arrangement for live music. I'll show it later. Now let me try the sushi first.
It is sweet. It is sweet.
It is sort of sweet. That's why maybe you're liking the taste. It's pretty good. Recommended. This is my terrace. We are back.
We didn't find any place to go, so this is the best place we think.
Yeah, actually, we had a plan of going to a lot of places and spending a lot of time together outside, but eventually, I don't know why.
We came back.
We came back. We didn't have. I suggested her to go to some mall, but she said that no, we don't have anything to shop. We have shopped a lot, so it's better not to kill time outside. And the sky here is just amazing.
See.
It's absolutely amazing now. So right now we are enjoying this gorgeous view. We are just clicking photos of the sky. It's been raining a lot lately, but now that it's not raining, so it's pretty breezy also. It's very nice. The colors of the sky are really fantastic. So we are enjoying that only. What else? What plan do you have next for the day?
Planning to take a coconut.
Okay, so there is a coconut tree out there. She's very interested to take a coconut from there, but I don't think it will be possible from here because it's quite
It seems very near.
up. But it is not. It's quite far. I'll show you guys how far it is. But yeah, it seems near.
Seems near, na?
Yeah.
Compared to other,
Yeah.
which we see.
But it's quite high from where we are standing. We can't climb up. This is the coconut tree from where my friend wanted to take a coconut. It seems near because its leaves are, falling on my roof. But it is not very near. It's pretty high. So I'll tell her to drop the plan. What do you think? Should you drop the plan?
Still, I want to try once. Maybe find something to climb.
Yeah, next time, not today. So she's just at my place for a walk, just to spend some more time together, and then she'll head out to another friend's place. So that's it for now. We're enjoying this gorgeous view. You guys also enjoy it. Bye bye.
Bye bye.